I got my mic in. Hopefully you can hear me. It should be. We checked it. It worked. Shouldn't be any different now. So it was a really nice day today. A really good. I think last time I checked, it said it felt like 62 when it was 66. So I mean, really, you could probably just go out right out the t-shirt on, even with the wind on you. It doesn't feel bad at all. But yeah, it's nice. Unfortunately, though, next week I believe it's gonna be all cold and crap. So I mean, okay. So I remember I did say it wasn't that windy, but yeah, it's windy. Yeah, man, it's fun riding this thing. Again, I think every time I come out and like motovlog, I'm always saying this thing's fun. It really is, because I dissed on this thing when I got it. I was very on the I was split in the middle when if I wanted to buy this thing, because I was like, well, I don't want to. I was like, oh, well, it's a scooter, I was like, I don't want to look like an idiot. But you know what? It doesn't really matter what people think, and that's what I was getting hung up on. But I was caring more about what people think than what I generally thought, which wasn't. I should be ultimately happy, right? So that's all that matters. If somebody's like, "Oh, that thing is stupid." Oh well, you don't like it, but I do, And now that I'm like got an account and everything about motovlogging, I really don't know what I should be saying, because there's not much going on. I got nothing to say really. It's it's all boring, if I'm being fully honest with you. It's we'll go left again. I don't want to keep. We'll try turning left here on Western. We'll try and keep going. I mean, it's good. It's a lot of full throttle when we go, because I don't trust pulling out and being like, oh, I'm going to ease on the gas. Yeah, no. Should probably, we're going to go back where we were last time. We're going to go straight. And this time, I should have asked Dad, because I know I was talking about it. But I want to know what you're supposed to do at an intersection right in the front here, Do you stay in the left or do you stay in the middle? Because you look like kind of like that douche that just won't let anybody that wants to turn right. And I don't necessarily want that. Because some people are going to be like, oh, this guy. So. Again, this person's going straight, so that's cool. I really don't care, but. Again, this thing idles pretty high. I don't trust this sitting without the brake, because it will go on without you. If you're not paying attention, not ready for it, you will be like, oh, So the left turners usually have the go ahead soon. It should anyway. I would think. And this thing is just vibrating as hell. Okay, what? Okay, so at 50, it was telling, when it told me on this thing here, the miles per hour, it was telling me I was doing 37. It still was 50. Okay, so I guess that means 30 is at 45? That seems weird. Oh, geez, all these people are showing up. This guy, let him go to me. does it mean like when I think I'm doing 40, it thinks so it might be like doing 25? See, I don't know. That's why I feel like hopefully like with motorcyclists or motor riders, they cops aren't really on your ass because I don't know how fast I'm really going. This thing is not accurate. I mean, that's why in a way going there is good because if I look and it says, oh, you're doing about so and so, I go, oh, okay, cool. But yeah, man, I don't know. That's a little wide. A little wide. A little wider than I want. It says slow down. That guy gave me enough space. I don't know why I didn't slow down as much. Oh well, that was me. Learning experience, right? What it's all about. Ah, okay, I don't know where I'm going now. I shouldn't I shouldn't get too confident because I don't know where that goes. What the fuck? Where's this guy going? Like, why did he pull over to the side there? Right? Didn't it look like he did that? I don't know. Jesus, this one you're in St. Charles. Oh, what? What the hell? Oh, yeah, we're gonna do a U-turn here. That's probably what the guy did. He was just like, where's it taking me? Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. There we go. Yikes, I scratched it. That's not good. Right in front of the mansion. I should just walked it, but I was like, no, I got it. Oh well. I say, oh well, like it doesn't matter. I do care. Probably edited that out anyways. Let's check it. I want to check the damage on that. It's low. I mean, it's fine. It's fine. Everything's okay. No problem. I can't hear anything they're saying. Is it going straight or right? Oh, okay, we're gonna just go right then. I mean, I get it, but I mean, yet again, I guess that chick wasn't clear as to what she was trying to do. I mean, she was pulled over. She should have just, I guess, had her I will say I'm pretty mad about that. I scratched this thing up. I should have walked it. I was like, nah, I could do it. Nope. Oh well. Man, it's like the seating is weird. Because after a while, you just slide down after trying to, even if you're doing adjusting yourself, you know. Oh, copyright, I don't want that. Even me humming it could be a violation of YouTube. That's how my speed. 37. Wow, whoa, what? That's accurate. That's I'm not telling me about, and I'm at 50. So it's like 10 off. Okay, so it's like 10 off. So when I'm doing 50, I'm doing close to 40. Okay. That is good to know. So yeah, right about 50 is when I'm doing allegedly like a 40. So that speed zone helped me out a little bit. Or the, whatever you call it, yeah. So I don't know if it gets like inaccurate when I'm... Okay, so if 50 is almost like 40, it's gotta be like 25. So maybe gotta be in between, a little bit above 40. Yeah, it feels like I'm going fast. But like, and the wind is dragging me too, so I mean, I got my jacket not all the way fully zipped, so it's gonna not really help the drag. For sure, uphill you gotta full throttle it, 100%. I don't think I've ever turned left in a certain lane. Well, not out here at least. On this thing. I might go through this neighborhood for a bit and then probably head back. Because now thinking about it, I do got some stuff to do, school related, so. Really taking it easy today in here, because I don't want to be known as that maniac in, you know, part of their neighborhood, their town, you know. So disturbing the peace. The hell wrong with you, these generation of kids riding on these two-wheel dumb machines. I don't know what they say. Or nuts. People can't also mind their freaking business either. Like, I realized that. Like, even that lady, like, if I, like, that guy, like, if he was not going to stop at all, then okay. I can see why you could be freaked out about that for a bit, right? You don't need to be like, man, fuck you, and, like, don't be a Karen. Nobody likes Karens, because if you're a Karen, you're going to be immediately probably seen as the person that caused the problem. At least that's how I've always assumed. When somebody's carrying out on somebody, I'm like, oh, well, that person obviously just didn't like whatever they did. They probably didn't do anything wrong. Maybe they did a little something that was in a gray area, but to them, that's like, nope. That's like, I don't know, it's a huge deal. You know? Yeah, I don't know. I just realized some people just need to mind their business. When it gets to two Karens arguing with each other, God knows who's right and who's wrong. Probably neither of them are really right. Let's be honest, right? they're just rambling on, no one really knowing what the hell is going on. I mean, I would assume so. That's what I would think. I'd be like, oh Jesus Christ, these people don't know what the hell they're doing. All right? Because when they argue, no one really cares. Karens, man, just Karens. It's unfortunate we live in a world with them. Why do we? Can't tell you. I didn't make them. Okay. Oh, I really don't know what time it is. Well, I gotta be careful here anyways. It's a parking lot. I was thinking if school is out, if it's 3:30, you know, the kids in elementary are all out. So that means kids are not going to be looking both ways. They're not going to be going. People trying to pick up little Johnny, they're not going to be looking when they're reversing. Like back then. Hopefully it's not killing. Oh, Jesus. Bumps. Okay, that's key. Sticks. Don't want sticks. I mean, not like they're with my thick sticks, but still, don't want to get any interaction with sticks. Alright. Jesus. Ooh. Jeez, that guy is taking a sharp. Alright, that's probably a good thing for me to call it a day. Nope, that's it for today. I don't know. I don't think I'm probably gonna make it a video today because there was nothing to really record. But I might combine some video to make it something. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I don't really know how to do any of this. You would think because my generation's all about that, but nope. All right. Well, if this is a video, we'll see you in the next one. All right. All right. See ya.